My name is Ian Kim. I made this example, how to paint portrait in 4 steps 39 years ago before I start teach. I'm going to go over with you step by step. Titanium white, yellow medium, carrier light, burn sienna, burn umber, and a little bit blue. And white and touch of carrier light, a little bit yellow to it, and burn sienna to it, burn umber. And I'm going to show you how to mix it. Okay, I'm mixing a color, flesh tone, titanium white, and just carrier light. And this is the mother colors, and you use more yellow and red over to it. And later, I'm using burnt sienna only to the second color you already mixed, and more sienna and umber to make the more darker value. So right now we have 4 different value, or light to dark. These are brushes that I used, a couple of the bristle brushes and sable brushes. On a paint your favorite photos, you need to use a projector. That is very important. Why? Most important of a portrait is lightness. If you paint your wife or children, has to be looks like them. Not only that you need to modify the figure, looks more prettier and younger than the picture. Otherwise, you'll be in a little bit embarrassed situation. But don't be afraid. Also using the flesh colors I already mixed, and you don't need to concentrate specific details yet, but generally cover dark values and the lightest area, and then next to semi-middle value, and don't be anxious to blend the brush strokes, and try to finish around 80%. You can complete it, but I would try to go over and complete by 80%. And after it's dry, it is time to go final stage. Use a small detail on number 1 brushes. Go over like I showed you step 1, and go every detail and most of the highlight and final the stage to be finished. Portrait is most difficult object to paint, but most exciting and fun to challenge. Good luck and thank you very much. Rest of them is my other the painting. Please enjoy it. Thank you.